Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a video on canceling transactions, and you get the error that the new transaction is undervalued to replace the transaction. So you're on ETH, you tried to mint a Zen NFT this weekend, you do the old transfer between accounts, you send 0 ETH to yourself, okay? And I cranked the gas up. I tried turning this gas up ridiculously high. Okay, it's not going to matter because I'm sending 0 ETH with the base priority fee. And then I put in the custom nonce that I want to replace. Confirm the transaction. Replacement transaction underpriced. So here's the alpha. The alpha is you have to crank the max priority fee. I don't know why. It doesn't matter. I could put this gas on 200, okay, and it still won't go through. All right, watch, I'll put it on 200. Custom nonce, underpriced. Okay, so the error is related to the miner tip, the tip that the miner gets. So the simple solution to this is to simply send 0 ETH, but you crank the max priority fee, okay? And this is what I've had best luck, so I can make that whatever. Hit save, do the nonce, confirm, and there you go, confirm transaction. So the alpha, if you're getting underpriced transactions, is to crank up the miner tip. Hope you liked today's video. As always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.